Hello everyone, my name is Devi Vaishnavi and I'm currently pursuing my BTech third year in Computer Science and Engineering at Aditya University. I'm very glad and excited to share that I received an internship at Walmart Global Tech in Chennai location with a monthly stipend of 1 lakh rupees. With this internship, I can work at the live projects of Walmart and inculcate a sense of teamwork, discipline, and explore the real-time problem-solving skills. This was made possible due to the continuous assistance provided by the Aditya University. Aditya University provided good infrastructure and also study environment where I can learn and upgrade my skills. My teachers strengthened my fundamentals. They helped me to tackle the problems in coding in a very lucid manner. They also provided pre-placement training by which I improved my communication skills and also I improved and enhanced my logical thinking ability. Aditya University given exposure to the latest courses and also coding trainings right from the first year itself. I'm very thankful to Aditya University and I'm really proud to be Adityan. Thank you.